So guys, say tuko chini ya the car. This our our cutlass cats. What? Should we compare with the other one? I can't try to pose with that one. Inatoa bump. You done blew the exhaust, man. You done, oh my, hey, you done blew. Hey, give us some revs, kabla. Yeah, you know what it is. Check this guy. So yeah, we're here for actually a custom exhaust. Whatever we have right now, it's a Frankenstein, kitu tulishikanisha tu somewhere in a unknown garage, an unnamed garage. So tumekuja to performance for a full custom exhaust. Stainless steel manze? Yeah, stainless steel. Luambia afike bei wakasema nini? All day, all day, every day. I'd like to show you whatever we had on the car so that we have a good before and after. You know, this stainless steel pia iko na luku. So hapa I'm with Brian, the mad engineer himself. Nikimonesha whatever we did here. So hapa we had the those resonators. Yeah, we had resonators, so tukatoa tukaeka like 2.5 inches. So this is 2.5, right? 2 inch. This is 2 inch, yeah? Tukeka 2 inch, tuka replace them. So up on the street pipe yetu custom ilianza. After decutting, obviously tulitoa the cuts uko juu. And as in we just tulitoa the residue. And tukakuja hapa I think we just stayed with the stock pipe, eh? Yeah, we didn't change it up. Tukakuja until hii point inaitwa collector. That's the collector. That's the collector, yeah. So we just stayed all the way. And then tukafika kwa resonator which is here. Oh, resonator iko hapa. Ilikuwa hapa kwanza hapa. Yeah. So hiyo tukatoa pia. Tukaenda all the way till where it branches off. It is a V6, so lazima is split into two. Si lazima, but and then whatever these pipes, this tank yenye mnaona hapo, whatever we got from there hapo mbele is what we actually put here tulichomelea. So that the sound iko a bit muffled because it was a full straight pipe all the way, and yeah, we had to muffle it out. It was really loud. Other than that, what do you think about our setup?
It's not bad. You tried.
Yeah, we tried, eh? Sinawambia you guys tunakuwa engineers, eh? Ni vile niamua kupenda magari. Yeah. So Bray is gonna hook us up with a custom exhaust. So tutaonesha the process. Sindio? Yes, sawa. So guys, hapa ndio maneno inafanyika. These are the cuts that have been made. Man, this stainless steel is really heavy. These are the cuts for the bends, the collectors. Yeah, it's a full stainless steel. No jokes hapa. And maybe hapo ka grinder, this, and pia hii yote ni yetu. Yeah, so this is where the magic happens. Yeah. So guys, sasa tuko chini ya the car. This our our cutlass cuts. Indi nitoga down pipe, down, it's a down pipe, na hizi ndo zinaitwaga exhaust sensors. O2 sensors, we had to change them some time back because
your guy.
Hey bro man, taongeza brightness kwa editing.
I'm out.
You're out. You've taken offense. Yeah, so hapa, these are the O2 sensors, exhaust sensors. I don't know. Utazi call out. Burnt out the stock ones, you have to replace them with some heavy ones. So yeah, Bwacha, we want to start it out. Lit. Start it secure ini. No, I'm just
You want to go there?
Nah, just start it. No. Woo! Crazy. Wow. Sounds like a V8. Wacha nitoke tuwapatie sound clip. He's gonna give us some revs, eh? It's not that bad actually. But yeah, pop. What's a gun? What's a So guys, we are starting the mock-up. We want to mock up and see if this will fit. Kuna any sections that needed some adding. So this is basically the first section. It's one solid thing, no flanges, no anything. So yeah, ndo tunataka kuweka. Na kama mtu ananiuliza flanges ni nini, hizi vitu zenye zinaikwaga huku unafunga bolt. Yeah. So me and my bro hapa kibandaski vibes. Yo. So right now tuko pale where we left off yesterday. That's the pipe which tuta join with the flange. This is where the resonator used to be hapa mbele. This is like the back side of the exhaust where it splits into two. Hapa mliona collector jana ikijengwa, and right now he's just fabricating the bends so that it could all the way. We are still contemplating on whether we're going to keep these because actually function really well. And we don't want to be a nuisance on the road, So yeah, but as you can see, manze, welds are pretty great. Tunaendelea. Tunataka in our quest to make the loudest 2.5 Mark X in Kenya. Yeah. So that's the progress. So guys, the front section is currently done. Tunabakisha to the flanges, of which ziko na some an up step hapa, so that is what he's fabricating right here. So that he is to fit the stock flanges. It opens up. It's like a straight pipe, but it opens up at the nozzle. So yeah, we are done with that section, and this other section, so that is kumalizia that we test fit this so that tumalizia because this way tulikuwa tunafaa kubuild hadi hapa so that we make sure like we like the sound. If we don't, we add the tanks. Ama do you think tunaweza tuache tanks? Tutakuwa an absolute menace huku nje. Noise pollution. So yeah, that's it. And and one of the main benefits of going like full stainless steel is actually the weight. You actually get to save weight because the stock exhaust, you can compare. I wish we had a scale to compare like how much this one weighs and how much the other one weighs, but physically the material is different. This one is thicker, this one is lighter, this one is better, this yani just different.
Do the V6.
I don't know. It's like scotch. Guys, it's the next day. Yesterday we couldn't manage to finish, but we came a bit late today, so tukapata brasha maliza the exhaust, and I won't lie to you, tumeisikia. This thing is so loud. Wow, okay. Hey, late. Give us some blessings pale tusikie.
Nataka mabariki.
Bariki kiasi. Just soft, eh? Inatoa bump. Inatoa bump, guy.
I mean that terrible.
Hey, just this gap was not here. Guy. Hey, but the quality is angalia. So hizo ndo tips zetu. Sasa tutaenda tuwapatie nini inaitwaje, like some rollers, eh?
Yeah.
Some rolling shots tusikie vile ina sound, eh?
Gari ni chafu.
Gari ni chafu. Tutosha mbele.
Itabidi wameelewa.
But I'd recommend this nini Brayo anytime because wow, this thing imetokea amazing, and plus imemaliza most of the drone of which tulikuwa tunaogopa. So yeah, but we are coming for silencers later because it's too loud, eh? You guys. Huh?
I don't think we should put silencers. What do you think?
Nah. Ebu comment down below tumjue kama tunafaa.
Kwanza tuweke silencer mpaka tuweke hiki to YouTube. Wakutane nayo. Each viewer lazima umpeleke gari.
Nah, I believe it's kind of nini. It's kind of too loud, bro.
Loud gani?
Too loud gani? Too loud anga.
Hii ni watu wa kelele.
Watu wa kelele. Oh. Shout out to watu wa kelele. But
kwanza pale unajua my neighbor pale imepata new challenge. Who was loud at least.
So I'm following in the mark. Tupate some rolling shots. Can't park like that, man. Yeah, okay. A little bit pitchy. Something I've noticed. Crazy guy. nuisance. You done blew the exhaust, man. You done, oh my, hey, you done blew the, Jesus Christ, bana. What the hell? You done blew
How
the,
aggressive have you been, kids?
yeah, man. You done blew the welds. Done blew the welds.
Uko fiti sahi.
Hey, go fit.
Uko fiti.